Hey Channel Insiders, I'm Katie Bavoso here for Partner POV On-Site at Scale Computing Platform 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm being joined by partners and IT leaders from all over the globe today, including this gentleman right here. We have Steve Lowe, co-founder and managing director of Titan Data Solutions. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Steve, let's get to know Titan Data Solutions more. You are a server and storage focused distributor based in London. You also have offices in other countries as well. You've been a part of the Scale Computing partner ecosystem for, I've got about 5 years on that,
Yeah,
so a
great.
good stretch of time.
Yeah.
Talk to me about what you mean when you say that you feel like an extension of the Scale Computing team. What is that like and how do they support you right back?
It's a good question. I think for us, 5 years ago, we were only 18 months into our journey as a business. So,
Wow.
so we were looking for disruptive technologies, companies who shared our values but had some incredible tech as well. Scale really are a pioneer in HCI. When I mean extension, I think as a specialist, it's important that we not just understand the features and benefits of a vendor, but we live and breathe it. We get under the hood and develop our solution architects technically, and ultimately we're tenacious and we have some shared values, and when you've got that across two businesses, you get real alignment, and that gives our partners confidence.
There's a lot of announcements coming out of platform this year, including one for Titan Data Solutions. You're announcing an integration with Scale Computing and Supermicro. Congratulations on that
Thank
one.
you.
Of course. Talk to me about what exactly this integration is.
Yeah, so exciting news from Scale this week, announcing that they're going to become a software-only business, and Titan are going to be there to help support that. And what that means is, in our integration facilities back in the UK, we've worked closely with Supermicro and the techies at Scale to ensure that we can do the imaging, the drive integration, and allow them to have a seamless transition to this new announcement. And it's a great opportunity for Titan. It's a great opportunity for our partners to make more margin. And ultimately, we've been doing this for many years. So we're a safe pair of hands, and we do it for a number of other manufacturers who we work with. So it's going to be great for us, it's going to be great for Supermicro, and ultimately it's going to allow Scale to focus on what they do best.
Do you have any success stories with customers that you can point to say, this is a really great representation of our partnership?
Yeah, I think for us it's more the relevance, so Scale has helped us become more relevant in what they do and the area of the market they focus on. And it's really innovative, and it's only going to accelerate with app development and AI. Success stories for us is as a distributor. I mean, obviously we've had the Broadcom acquisition of VMware, and it's a really challenging time for our partners and quite a stressful one as well. We've always maintained or believed that the channel was broken, and that too many partners are marginalized or squeezed out of opportunities based on their size rather than their technical ability. And there's been a real chasing of the badge rather than the solution. So we were in a really good position as trusted advisors to have that influence over our partners and just guide them through that process. And the analysts believe VMware's market share will reduce from 70 to 40%. So that business needs to go somewhere. Our partners need to find an alternative if that's where they've been using. And I saw so many new faces here this year, some inquisitive minds, but also some companies who have overcome that hurdle and done it with success. And we've always maintained Scale's the best kept secret in the industry. And it's great that people are being able to see that now, and it's taken something as seismic as that announcement from Broadcom to bring partners to us. But it's been seamless, and I'm really happy that we were able to support that as a distributor for them. So very proud.
So another thing to be proud of is that last year you won the International Distributor of the Year award at Scale Computing Platform.
Yeah.
What does that sort of recognition from your vendor partner Scale Computing not only mean to you, but what do you think it should say to your customers?
Yeah, I mean, it was a great honor to win that. It means to us, it shows that we're doing the right things. I don't think we take many opportunities to pat ourselves on the back, but it means we're heading in the right direction.